So guys, this is the kinky that is sold at the market, the one I got from the market, and then this is the one I produced. Okay, is there any difference between this, the one I got from the market, and then the one I produced? It's the same thing. Mine is even more soft. Trust me, my own is softer than the one I got from the market. The normal kinky they do sell in the market. Okay, no matter the product, I mean the company. Okay, so let me package my own the same way they do package their own. So this is produced by my own company. Gifted company. So this is the one I got from the market, and this is the one I produce. What do you think? Mine is even more softer. If I should just apply a little or a shine on this one, it become more shiny, more shining. Okay. So if you want to know how I was able to do this, let me know in the comment section. Do you want to see the tutorial video on how I got my own kinky? How I got my own kinky? Let me know in the comment section. Definitely, I will drop the tutorial for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have not joined the family, please do so. Thank you.